Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a new one from JBL in their PartyBox line, and you know these are always really fun. This is the PartyBox Encore. For its size, it's got awesome output and makes for a sweet outdoor speaker wherever you want to take it, or you can still fill up a room with this just as easily. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon because a lot of great content is on the way. Question of the day, what's been your favorite on-the-go speaker? Let me know down in the comments. So what has the PartyBox Encore got underneath the hood to make this basically the perfect on-the-go speaker? This actually comes in two configurations. This is the Encore Essential, so it is essentially just your speaker. But you also have a variant that comes with two wireless microphones, making it the perfect karaoke device as well. Built into this unit, you've got the latest version of Bluetooth. That's 5.1 for those of you who don't know. And what that means is that it can stay connected from really long distances. We're talking 30, sometimes 40 feet away. It's currently the best transmission quality for Bluetooth as well. So your stuff's gonna sound good. At least for a Bluetooth speaker, it really is. So we're gonna power it on. Give it just a second here and you're going to hear it kick in, like so. Listen for that chime, that means it connected to your phone, and it found my phone in about 1.5 seconds after powering on, which is great response. Now, check out the cool lights around the woofer here, and you can actually switch up different modes that will somewhat react to the music that you're playing depending on what mode you have selected. 6 hours of battery life with the lights blasting. Turn the lights off, you can get a little bit more, but that's still pretty respectable. 6 hours is a long party for a PartyBox. There is a bass boost button for that little bit of extra low-end kick if you want it, depending on what tracks you're listening to. It works pretty well. For really bassy songs, it's not gonna give you like a huge difference, but it's that little bit of extra punch. And you're really gonna want that depending on what you're listening to. And you've got really great connectivity on this device as well. But if you look back here, you've got a USB, you've actually got a wired microphone in, so you can use a wired mic as well. And you have a good old-fashioned 3.5mm aux in, so you have multiple ways to use this product. Don't want to use Bluetooth? No problem. You've got options. And then also on the back there, there's a port for charging. And when you do need to plug it in for charging, it will, of course, run and charge, but also run pass-through. That way it can play back while still charging, so you can keep it going. And that just connects with a simple 2-prong cable. The great thing about the entire PartyBox line, though, is they are ready to go wherever you want to go and do whatever you want to do with your friends. You can be out and about, hanging out, having a good time, and little things that happen along the way, like little drops or spills, you're just not going to have to worry about it, let alone splashes from water at the pool or the beach. It can take it. You play something really bassy while there's a little bit of water trapped in the grill, it actually looks really cool. Like, check this out. Silly, I know, but hey, it was fun. The thing about the JBL portable speakers, whether it's the PartyBox line or some of the smaller Bluetooth products that you've seen me cover, they're going to sound good, especially for what they're trying to be. They're going to be durable, and most importantly, they're just going to work. If there's one thing that JBL does above all that I most appreciate, beyond just their great usability and good sound, they just work. You connect the Bluetooth and it stays connected. It reconnects when you power it back on to your phone that you've already paired within 1.5 seconds. Like you saw that and heard that chime. Always it works. There is a plethora of products out there that otherwise sound good, look cool, etc., but they are not this level of bulletproof reliable. If this is something you want to pick up and go have some fun with, click the link down below to go to Sky, check out securely, fast and free shipping, you know the deal. Or swing by one of the showrooms in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg. We got a lot of JBL stuff on display. We can show you how it all works. And of course, don't forget about the beautiful Kitchen Center in Hunt Valley. They got cool stuff too. Please give me a like if you had a good time. Don't forget the question of the day. And tell me what you want to see in the future in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. You know I appreciate it when you all stop by. Be seeing you.